Ready to level up your GitHub game and master version control like a pro. First things first, let's navigate to your GitHub repository, find your project of choice and head to the main page. Once on the main page, you will see a section labeled Code. Below this, locate the section called Releases. Alternatively, this may be named Tags. This is the hub for all things tags. Now, how do we actually add a tag? Well, each repository set up differently. Generally, there's a button close to the tag section that reads Create a new release. Click it. You will then be directed to create a tag name that is meaningful, such as V10 Bug Fix 1. Be sure to have it reflect the changes or the specific point in your project's history it marks. After deciding on a tag name, the next step is to push the tag to your repository. You will want to open your terminal and make sure you are in the repository's directory. Then, use a simple command to create the tag locally. Once this is complete, you must push the tag to the remote repository. So, what can we do with these tags? Tags are incredibly useful. You can easily view the list of all tags associated with your repository. You can click on them and see what point they marked. If needed, you can go back and delete tags if they're no longer required. Implementing tags is an essential part of version control. By tagging specific release points, you can easily pinpoint when and where changes were made. Using tags makes collaboration easier and gives your team the ability to track all of the work being done on the project in real time. That's it for adding tags in your repository. Keep up the amazing work and happy coding.